Birdeye has definitely helped our bottom line because not only does it help our online presence and help us get found, but it gives us such credibility and such good reviews that it is making a higher percentage of potential customers turn into customers. So while in the past, probably before we started using Birdeye, maybe 5% of our customers came from online searches. We're up to about 32% now, and we really do credit a lot of that to Birdeye. And we're closing a higher percentage of those potential customers as well. So Birdeye has added a tremendous amount to our bottom line. I'm Roger Williamson with Williamson Foundation Repair, and we've been in business since 1985. So when we found Birdeye, it was because we realized that being found on the internet really was the future of business. And so we decided to be proactive about trying to get found on the internet. Birdeye was a great solution for that because it made it very easy for us to then send clients a link to both their email, their phone, that they could very easily click on, spend 5 minutes or less, and give us a review. And it's been a tremendous help in marketing our business. And because of that, the number of reviews that we have online have just skyrocketed. Being able to see those reviews from actual customers who have used us versus the reviews of actual customers who have used our competitors really helps sell our business without us having to stand on the mountaintop and shout how wonderful we are. Our customers do that for us. Since we started using Birdeye, we've had tremendous results. I personally have actually told probably 5 or 6 other business owners just in the last year that they really need to get on Birdeye. We've stuck with Birdeye because they offer so much to our business. They make it so simple, so easy to use. The results speak for themselves. So we are happy Birdeye customers and will be for a very long time in the future.